Hi everyone, today we're checking out the ViviCreate 9.5-inch non-stick marble color coating fry pan with a long rubber-coated handle and stainless steel bottom. This pan is made from high-quality stainless steel, offering excellent durability and heat resistance for everyday cooking. Its non-stick surface makes food release effortless and cleanup a breeze. The design ensures even heat distribution, so your meals cook consistently every time. It's perfect for sautéing, frying, and searing on induction, electric, or gas stoves. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this versatile skillet is a great addition to your kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details on a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.